Alright, you guys, got an idea for an experiment. So here's my idea. Something we know is true about being good reader is that good readers tend to have large vocabularies. And so therefore, if you kind of flip that, having a large vocabulary could help you become a better reader. Cool. So how do we teach vocabulary? Because like everybody knows different words, and you might know 10 words and the person knows totally different 10. And it's hard to kind of gauge what word some person needs to learn vocabulary. And so there's a couple sites out there we've tried to use. One of them, vocabulary.com, is one that we've tried. And there's going to be another one we're going to try called Membean. And you're either going to be using vocabulary.com or Membean, because I want to kind of see which one works better. One of them is decidedly more free than the other one. So I want to see if the one that you have to pay for really makes that big of a difference. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to take the STAR test. And I want you to do your best in the STAR test. Really, absolutely try to do your best possible you can on the STAR test. And you're going to see the results of that. And then you're going to go through 10 15-minute sessions on either Membean or vocabulary.com. And you'll see that in your directions in your module coming up. And what we're going to look for is after those 10 15-minute sessions, which are very structured in terms of you trying to learn words that are, according to either vocab.com or Membean, that are just the right words for you to learn at your level, kind of at your zone of proximal development for vocabulary. Then you're going to take the STAR test again, and we're just going to see, did that affect your reading ability? And you know, STAR test is not perfect, but it's one tool that we use, and we're just going to see, like, overall, if we look at the class altogether, in general, did scores go up? And so if you do this whole thing and your STAR test doesn't go up, remember that the STAR test is not perfect. It's not a totally perfect measure of you as a reader, and it definitely can vary test to test. What I'm looking for is big picture. Like, as a teacher, should I pick one of these sites to use? Because overall, it seems that the data would suggest that most students benefit from this instruction in terms of enhancing their reading. Because really, when it comes down to vocab, it's cool if you know what the word superfluous means, but unless that really enhances your reading or your ability to write, it's just kind of filler. So we're going to give that a shot. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to this link right here. And this link right here, when you click it, it's a vocab tracking sheet. You're going to use it as a collaborative document with me. Now, you can't start editing this because you're not going to be able to edit it. What you're going to do is going to hit File, Make a Copy. And you're going to create a copy, and that copy is going to show up in your digital locker. So maybe put your name right here, and then hit OK. And when you do that, that's going to create a copy of that file that goes in your digital locker. Then you're going to go to your digital locker, and you're going to get the shareable link. Remember, you hit Share, and then anyone with link, you're going to change it to Can Comment, and you're going to copy and paste that link into Canvas. So you'll have shared your copy of this document with me, and you're going to use that to track your progress as you go throughout this module. So go to that link, hit File, Make a Copy, and that's going to put a copy in your digital locker. Open that file from your digital locker, then create a shareable link to that copy, just like you've done with a bunch of other files so far this year, and then put that into the assignment submission for this assignment. Okay, go do it.